Leonard, good afternoon. It's Beth here from Yates Pre-Owned. Just kind of wanted to give you a brief walk around on the Dodge Ram you were asking about. As you can see, it is in great condition. It is a 4x4. Also has the rear seats here. Kind of want to show you that. So that's the interior. This is up from the back seat. And then from your front seat view, there's the vehicle. You can see it's cruise control and everything like that. If there's anything else I can help you with, feel free to give me a call. Love to have you come and take a peek at it. Hope this fulfills at least the things that you're looking for in a Dodge Ram. Phone number here is 623-533-3020. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.